Hello, today I'm going to change the left rear taillight assembly. When I was driving down the street, the red cover fell off. So got the new one from the dealership. This is what it should look like. I'm using an 8mm to take off these bolts. Got one on the top, got one on the bottom. Pull it apart. There's a tab there. There's a tab at the bottom. Slide out. Slide out. You have to disconnect the bulbs. Just turn them down. Quarter turn. Turn them down a quarter of a turn. Slide out. Turn a quarter turn down. And slide out. There's the old and new. It's a reverse light. Put in there, line up the tabs. Quarter of a turn. Got the brake light, turn signal light. Line up the tabs. Quarter of a turn. There you go. Lights installed. There you go. The tab on top, tab on bottom. Gonna line them up. Got two tabs over here, top. Tab on the top, tab on the bottom. Line them up. Slide them in. Go. Using the 8mm to tighten it up. Quick, easy replacement on the taillight assembly. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.